So again, this is a little bit of what I do when it comes to the code. And, so the code book is not, for it's not rocket science. All it takes is practice. Practice makes you know everything go well when it comes to the code. So these are the rules that are laid out. These are the rules that I normally follow when it comes to doing my electrical. As you can see, there's arc fault protection, there's combination type arc fault circuit interrupter, there's outlet branch circuit type arc fault circuit interrupter. So these are basically the arc fault breakers with the tails that we use to protect the circuit. There's you have here receptacles installed for refrigerator in accordance with rule 26/722, and it says D. So all you do is you go to the same D right here. You go to 26/722, and then you follow that information. It gives you a letter here D, also gives you an I. So you have to check out that to see what's going on there. Again, it also says at least one branch circuit shall be provided slowly for receptacles installed in the laundry room or in a space where the complete plumbing is installed to accommodate a washing machine. So at least one branch circuit, and that circuit shall be on its own. When it comes to washing machines, you're not supposed to jump off from receptacle to receptacle. So that receptacle, in my videos, you'll see me running my lines, installing my receptacles, hooking it up at the panel, so it's always on its own. That's what that rule simply states. Then it says at least one branch circuit shall be provided at least one branch circuit shall be provided slowly for receptacles installed in the utility room. So when it comes to the utility rooms, it shall have its own branch circuit, whether it be for the water heater, whatever the case is. That's what that receptacle is for. A lot of times in the older homes, I will see it's hooked up to the lighting circuit. I always try to, not always, I make sure that when I'm doing a roughing, you will see in my work that any receptacle that I rough in the utility room, it's going to be on its own. Then it goes on to say each receptacle installed in the cupboard, wall, cabinet, or enclosure for the use of a microwave oven in accordance with Rule 26/720 shall be supplied by a branch circuit that does not supply any other circuit. And this circuit shall be considered as forming part of the circuit required under. It gives you the rule. So what you'll do is you'll take that number, you'll go to that rule, and you'll double check it to make sure whatever information they're giving you. And it says a separate branch circuit shall be provided slow. So then it says a separate branch circuit shall be provided to supply power to each central vacuum system. Normally, you have a central vac system, and that's going to have its own circuit. So again, these are rules, like I said, that are given, and these are rules that I normally follow. A panel board shall be installed in every dwelling unit except for dwelling unit in hotels and motels, ///. So these are the rules. Like I said, this is just a page of what I'm showing. There's many other rules that that I have here. Let me see if I can so then it goes on to say protection of receptacles by a ground fault interrupter of the Class A type. Tamper resistant receptacles. It has here receptacles exposed to the weather, receptacles for maintenance of equipment located on the rooftop, sump pump receptacles, so on. So again, so these are all rules that are laid out, and these are all rules that we follow in order to pass our inspection. So I'm going to just back out of there for a second, and I'm going to pull up something else here. Let's see right here what we're going to do. So hello, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's lesson. I'm simply going to be installing my receptacles. So again, welcome back to the channel. We're going to simply doing this with our receptacles right now. So basically what I'm doing is I have a neck wire, so I'm going to be repairing this neck wire with the extension to protect the wires from hitting the box. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. As you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important. Also, you can share the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, and you can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section. Again, what I'm simply doing is preparing to remove this panel for a panel swap out. 100 amp to 100 amp. The new panel is going to be a heating panel, and the reason why I'm changing this panel out is because it's defective in the area where I am, the country where I am. It's a fire hazard, and also there's not enough space in the panel to do what I need to do with all of the new circuits that I've brought in. So again, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. It's a panel swap out with the power being turned off from the hydro unit. So just stay tuned for the entire video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. So normally what I do when I'm doing a job like this is I normally get to the job site a little bit earlier so I can remove all of my wires, label them accordingly. That way when it comes to reinstalling my wires into the panel, I don't have to go troubleshooting throughout the house for the circuits to be labeled. And yes, of course, your cables and your circuits have to be labeled at the end of the job in order to have your inspection pass. That is the code rule, and there's no going around it. So again, just stay tuned for the entire video as I attempt to change out this panel without any issues occurring, any delays, so that the hydro can come back and turn the power on within the limited time that I have during the day. If I don't have this panel removed and reinstalled by the time hydro is ready, the customer will have to wait until the next jurisdiction to have the power turned on, or there's an extra fee that will be charged for the late fees. So always try to keep that in mind. So as you can see, I have limited space to work with. This panel is a lot smaller than the other panel. This was built in before I even did the panel swap out. So again, with very limited space to deal with, I have to make sure that I can get my new panel inside of the inside of this area. Obviously, I would have did the measurements according to the newer panel to the older panel, and it's going to be a pretty tight job. There's not much room for me to play with inside of this area right here. And also, as you can see, I'm simply going to be removing this panel and taking out all the wires from the side of the panel, making sure that my wires, my older wires that I took out, are already labeled for the reinstall of the cable. So this is normal procedure what I'm doing right now, which is to try to remove my wires as fast as I can. Again, I don't have much time to play with when it comes to swapping out the panel. Also, just keep in mind that with limited time, there's very few mistakes that can be made. Reason being, like I said, it's a power swap out, and if everything is not done accordingly, the power will not be turned on. I will have to fix my defect in order to have the panel turned on. So again, like I said, this is the older panel that I'm dealing with right now, and with the older connectors that was used, pretty much gives you a lot of problems when it comes to trying to change out your panel with these older connectors being screws and stuff like that on the other side of it. Very hard to play with. So for that reason, I have to take my time also to make sure that I do not make mistakes. It's very important. I don't want to nick my wires. If my wires are nicked and it touches the metal, once I reinstall my wires, then it can have a sharp in it of some sort. So always try to avoid all of these little stuff that comes with the trade. So again, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So hello, welcome back to my channel, and what we simply have right here right now is going to be the installation of my cables and so on. This is a 400 amp main disconnect fusible, parallel feed being used. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. And again, reason why I'm installing this tape is because I have to identify my cable, which is the neutral that I'm trying to tape right now. 400 amp disconnect fusible is what's here right now. Reason being is because the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the meter base, and it is a code rule that states that if the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the outdoor meter base, you have to have a means of disconnect, and that's what's simply here. 400 amp fusible disconnect that's placed here, and reason being is, like I said, the panel is located on the other side of the home. Parallel runs is the set of cables that you will see coming in from the top, and that's going to be the line side. Bottom side is the load side. Always important to make sure that your grounding is tucked way on the back side, so there's no arcing when it comes to the main components also. And always make sure that the line and the load is not touching each other when it goes into the disconnect. So again, for all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hello and welcome back, my viewers and subscribers, and in today's video we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video, what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic, required by code. And the normal procedure is basically when you have wires running in the attic, you basically have to place a running board beside or over your wires to cover your wires, to hide them, or on the side of the running board, which is the 2x4. And as you can see right here, I'm placing my 2x4 I have running across is where I have my wires, and I'm simply going to be protecting them from being damaged from anyone else who decides to go into the attic to do any type of work after. So again, for all those who has tuned into the video, please like and share the video, and also you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification is turned to all. That way when I release my videos, you can receive all of them, and I will catch you guys on the next video.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. In today's video, I'm basically going to be tying in my neutral onto the neutral bars. As you can see, these neutrals that I have twisted, they're going to be basically circuits where I do not need an arc fault, and whatever I don't have twisted is going to go onto a special breaker. The reason for the neutral is basically going to power up. You have your power wire, which is this, and you have your neutral wire, which is this. So without this wire, your circuits will not work. So it's very important to have these wires tied into your breakers. Sorry, it's very important to have these wires tied into your neutral bar. That way that your circuit will work properly. Without this and just this, the circuit will never power up. I'm going to take this wire, I'm going to the back of the panel.
And adult Halloween costumes starting at $19.98. Shop online
Let's go. Do the job. That's the key though. That's how you install a 400 amp panel.
So hello, welcome back to my channel. And so today's video, I'm going to be installing the spots here, and it's basically for the generator feed. Um, so because I cannot use this pipe on the outside, I'm simply going to put a junction box, transition this over um, into something else that I can use on the outside. This is pretty much not allowed on the outside. It's allowed when you're using when you're pouring concrete, some sort. So uh, after double checking my code book, so I already knew that. So I'm not going to be using it on the outside. So I'm just going to be prepping my box. And because I don't have my hole saw, what I did was I simply, made a mark here, and I'm going to try to cut around it to see if I can open up the hole a little bit more. So this is basically an old school way of using it. I'm just going to cut around. I already pre-made my mark, and I'm simply going to cut around to make sure that I can have enough opening so I can install this connector here.
So again, bless up yourself, Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV. Thank you again for checking into the live stream, and also for the continuous support of the channel. So again, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys on the stream for the week. I was a little bit tired, so I needed some rest. But however, I'm back at it again. So again, thank you guys all for tuning in to the live stream today. Also, don't forget to like up the life as you come. You can also subscribe to the channel to stay up to date to the content. And I'm going to.
Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into my videos and my live streams, and also staying up to date with my numerous videos that I put out. In today's video, what we simply have is a roughing, which I would have done. Roughing stage is very important for the roughing stage, as it defines how your electrical work will turn out, and also it's very important to secure your wires, whether by means of clips, tie wraps, whatever it may be, and also finishing it off with your boxes and stuff like that. So again, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. As you can see here, this is an elevator. So this home is equipped with an elevator from the bottom of the from the basement all the way up to the top. So as my video winds down, I would like to thank all those who have subscribed to the channel, and all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel. You can go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, make sure it's on all so you can stay up to date to my content, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Okay, so basically what we have here is we're gonna have one electrical panel. If you see, you can see all my wires. They're neatly strapped down. Everything is to code. You have my feeder wire here. This is the mechanical room. You're gonna have furnace switch, light for the inside,
switch for the inside. Then you have the electrical panel. Obviously it's covered because the guys were spraying. There's a second light here. We have a 20 amp receptacle. Then inside here we're going to have some connections. This is basically going to be a niche. Okay. We have a washer and dryer. All my wires are neatly strapped. I have some switches. I have a fan. Some lights. Vapor barrier. Go into this room. I have some plugs on the outside. TV and data. Okay, inside this room we have some pot lights. This is a closet. You can see my wires are neatly strapped. My holes are in the center of the studs, all by code. This here is the washroom. I have pot lights, one fan, shower pot lights, another wire for the niche, and a mirror, receptacle for the toilet, heated floors, switches, Wi-Fi. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hey, Mafia Bob. Um, I am Gamer Hurt. How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to the channel. Ex Valdez.
Again, thank you. I think you're new to the channel. And Ryan Lohman, um, thank you guys for leaving a comment in the live stream. Um, so again, I'm not really sure where you guys are from, uh, but at obviously not everyone would know about it, but with the correct running of the cable, I can basically turn off from here if I wanted to, turn on from here, and again turn off from that location if I wanted to use, if I wanted to control the lights from 3 locations, or 4 locations, or 5 locations. Again, it all depends on your power wire and your return wire. Power wire is the wire you feed the switch to power it up, and the return is the wire that basically goes up to the light. And so this area was a lot messier before, and so this area, those are my yeah, a movement TV. um, so this area here is this is going to have a panel here. This is going to be built in, and so you're not going to see this panel. And those wires are basically my security wires, and the wires on the top are basically for my data um, inside of inside of each bedroom, and these are the wires here are the for the speakers on the main floor and the second floor, and the blue cable is for the cameras. Uh, so again, I'm not the one who did the camera system. I'm quite capable of, but uh, I'm pretty sure if the homeowner knew, he would have given me the that job also. But um, it would have been too much for me. So sometimes I try not to take on too much that I can't handle. Yeah, definitely. Anything is possible once you put your mind to it. This is a kids' playroom here, right? And again, the reason why I have the 2 lights is because I don't want to. There's one pot light here, and there's another pot light. The reason why you can see 2 pot lights alone uh, basically powers up this room and it gives it enough light for people to work in. So I didn't really want to continue with the lighting because, as you see, once the guys start to spray, they're going to spray all over the lights, and I simply um, I can remove those lights, use them somewhere else as temporary lights. Obviously, I'm not going to use them at the end of the job. Um, and yeah, so I'll show you guys who hasn't seen it before. Also, Uh, so yeah, I'm not done here yet. Unfortunately, I'm going to be here for a while. Look like, and so this area here, I have to, as you can see, I started my pot lights here. Um, so once I get my free up time, I have to build this scaffold out here to finish off my lighting up here. As you can see, it's pretty high, but um, heights don't really scare me, so I have my fair share of heights, so I'm accustomed to heights. And this here is basically a kitchen, two speakers on the outside.
Costumes starting at $10.98 each, and adult Halloween costumes starting at $19.98 each. Shop online or in store today. Walmart. Live better.
Milwaukee, best drill. Does the job. So hello. So hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you can see this fancy design here we have, this is basically inside of the family room of the job I'm currently doing. And the reason for the extra holes is because the layout that was done before, that was given to me, was perfect. But however, after the fancy stuff in the ceiling was installed, as you can see, a lot of the lights was off. For instance, this back area here, So what I did was, you can see one right here. I basically moved it into the center of the opening. Here is the design that we have. So that's what I've basically gone with in order to fix this issue that we have right now. As you can see here also, you can see the extra that I made here. That's the logo. Same thing with here. This is going to be chandelier. However, it had to be repositioned into the new spot. Same thing here. It's landed in the actual bottom itself, but it's more close to the center. So I took it and moved it to this location. Same thing here also. As you can see, landed neutral. Again, this is due to the changing of the plan. So as you can see, landed here. Same thing in the corner. You see the old wall here. You see the new wall that's there. Same thing with this corner here. So everything has to be relocated according to the actual ceiling design. That's what I like about seeing this little issue that we have here. So again, for all those who are just coming into the video, please look up the video, very important. Same thing here. As you can see, we've got this fancy design going on here. My center line is down in the middle, so everything looks to be okay in this area here. So again, this is due to the design of the ceiling. Going to the kitchen. As you can see here in the corner, I'm going to have to move these two lights right here. Otherwise than that, I might have to move these lights over also on this corner here. So again, everything has to be shifted around, it looks like. Also here, also you see the side of this area is fine. Back here, everything is shifted. Okay, so again, that's the ceiling that I'm currently working on to try to resolve and fix because of the different layout that the homeowner currently have. Again, these are two lights, wall sconces that was added here. As you can see, the holes that was patched out here is mainly because of that reason. In order to get the walls where I have to go, this is going to be everything is covered in here. Access to this here. This is on the other side of the wall sconces again. As you can see, so again, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning into today's video. And for all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member by simply hitting on the button that says so. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. As you come in again, please don't forget to like up the video. Also, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can be a member of the channel by just clicking the link to it. And again, in today's video, what we have here is some finishing product that's going on here for the door, with all my door contacts being placed in the correct spot here. So again, this is the back of the house, and then we go over here. We have this wonderful viewing of the stairs. As you can see from it being installed, we've got my wires going down here. That's going to simply give light underneath the stairs. Low voltage wiring as it goes all the way down. finishing wires for my low voltage for underneath the stairs, and that's the other side of the stairs that's going down. So I'm not going to show you that doing. And we're going to come into the actual dining and as you can see here, got this great design going on where the pot lights is going to sit inside that hole here. Same thing here, as you can see, as I go along here. And turn to this corner here, as you can see the pot light is located. And then the speaker somehow ended up on this side. The center light having to be relocated. I'm going to this room here. As you can see, remember this is all finishing stuff. We are going to be finishing all stuff. The speaker is going to have to be relocated, possibly to the back center. So then we have that room there. There's the one down here. You can see. So again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video, and please don't forget to like up the live, and like up the video. Sorry, I'll catch you guys later. So hello, welcome back to my channel, and so today's video I'm going to be installing the spots here, and it's basically for the generator feed. So because I cannot use this pipe on the outside, I'm simply going to put a junction box, transition this over into something else that I can use on the outside. This is pretty much not allowed on the outside. It's allowed when you're using when you're pouring concrete some sort. So after double checking my code book. So Mr. Gaza, again, thank you for checking into the live stream, and thank you for the continuing support of the channel. And because I don't have my hole saw, what I did was I simply, made a mark here, and I'm going to try to cut around it to see if I can open up the hole a little bit more.
Unknown caller.
Also, Brian, again, thank you for checking into the live stream also. Excuse my manners. So this is basically an old school way of using it. I'm just going to cut around. I already pre-made my mark, and I'm simply going to cut around to make sure that I can have enough opening so I can install this connector here. the same screw. And again, this is just a video. Please, if you guys need to have any work done, please contact a licensed electrical contractor. Okay, now I will install my breakers. Again, also this is an inspection job, so I'm just waiting for the inspector. This power is not live. There's no power to the panel. The panel is not. Hello and welcome back to my channel. And again, as you guys enter, just hit the don't forget to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. And in today's video, this panel is a 100 amp panel located on the second floor of the home, and it's going to be the main supply for the second floor, where it's going to be feeding lighting, receptacles. Also, there's going to be a boiler up there, and it's going to also have hand towels and so on. So again, sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
So again, it's just a quick tour. This here is the theater room. Yes, Kubuzi. Most everything here is pot lights. There are a couple center lights upstairs, but everything in the house is pretty. Is pot lights. Yes, these are all speakers on the side here. One, two, three. Um, this is going to be a little small bar kitchen area here. We're going to have a sink here. Eventually, I have to run some type of lighting for the, I believe, for the benches, something like that. Yeah, movement TV is pretty huge. It's a family, it's a theater room. So now you can see with all the lights on here. Um, it is a pretty big, huge ass house. Yeah, bro, it's pretty huge. Yeah. These are the towels that they're using. I don't want to step on it. I don't think it's fresh, but this is just a back room. And here is going to have the the system for the speakers. And this is the stairs. This is the elevator here. Um, that's going to go all the way up to the second floor. I still have to put a light and a plug inside of this area, which is required by code. So these are basically my lights that's coming down, as you can see. So again, these are all pot lights that I'm using. In the basement, there's no center light. In the basement, it's all pot lights. This area, I still have to put the light in. This is a gym. This area is going to be a gym. So you're not going to see anything right now because it's pretty dark. I still have to do the lighting in here. But yeah, this area is going to have a gym. You can see there are all pot lights in here. This pot lights are QBZ. There's no, I didn't put the lighting in right now because I was. So hello and welcome back to my channel, and for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. Also make sure that your notification is turned to all, that way you receive all of my notifications, including my videos and my live streams. And again, don't forget to like up the video, please and thank you.
So hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video what we're going to be going over is the steps that I take when it comes to installation and passing my inspection. Very important to remember the code rules that are laid out inside of the electrical code book. Obviously, the code book that I work off of is the Ontario code book, so everyone's going to be different. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also make sure your notification is turned to all. You can also like and share the video, and you can also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So again, as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, you can subscribe to the channel to stay up to date to the content. And again, what we have here is a 400 amp panel installation. And here we have a 400 amp disconnect required by code because of the length of the run, being the panel located more than 5 feet away from the meter base that's located on the outside of this exact wall. And what I'm doing here right now is I'm simply grounding off my tech cable grounding onto the ground bushing required by code in order to pass inspection to have your power turned on. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys during the video. Hello and welcome back my viewers and subscribers, and in today's video we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic, required by code. And the normal procedure is basically when you have wires running in the attic, you basically have to place a running board beside or over your wires to cover your wires to hide them, or on the side of the running board, which is the 2x4. And as you can see right here, I'm placing my 2x4 I have running across is where I have my wires, and I'm simply going to be protecting them from being damaged from anyone else who decides to go into the attic to do any type of work after.
Okay, hello and good morning to all my subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I'm basically going to be prepping for my service 400 amp panel. Okay, please, hello and welcome again. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is basically my 400 amp panel, which I removed all the components from inside so I can mount the panel. You can see this is the panel covers that I had to remove in order to mount the panel on the plywood.
Ezra Scott, thank you for checking into the live stream, and thank you for the continuous support of the channel also.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a full roughing of the first floor that I recently finished. So right here, as you can see, we're going to have a security wire. Also, if you see, we're going to have a keypad here. I have some switches on this wall. Also at the entrance, I'm going to have some receptacles. If you see, I have one here. I have another receptacle here. And there's another one here. And we go into this room. This room, you're going to see I have some pot lights, a speaker cable, one sender light. You can see my wire is all neatly strapped down. In this room, I'm going to have one data for the TV, one receptacle for the TV, my switches to control this room, my receptacles for this room, halter code. I'll have a data on this wall. I have a data, one receptacle for the floor. This room here is going to be a washroom. You see I have my fan here, a couple pot lights, LED mirror, GFI receptacle for the sink. I have one receptacle for the toilet, and I have my switches. We leave this room here and we go over to this room. You're going to see I have some pot lights with sender light. This wire here is basically for the LED strip light. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this side.
So hello again,
pot lights
welcome
also.
back to the channel.
Three-way switch. I have my receptacles. This here is going to be a receptacle for the gas fireplace.
I'd like to thank Ezra Scott for checking into the live stream today.
Along with my wiring.
Also,
shade windows. We leave this area
in the live stream. And, also,
go into this
entertainment TV
room, which is another washroom.
For checking into the live stream.
Two
again,
pot lights, one fan.
Thank you guys.
Two pendants.
The last video I run today.
Receptacle for the GFI.
In here, there's no receptacle for the toilet because of the, obviously this is a new style toilet, so it doesn't call for a receptacle. Here I have my switches for this washroom, and if we go into this area, it's going to be one receptacle here, some pot lights, LED strip lights. If you see the way I tuck my wire out so it's not lost in the drywall, and my switches for this washroom, sorry, not washroom, for this room. We go over to this next room here. You'll see I have my pot lights, center light, I have speaker cables. I also have another cable for my LED strip. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this location also. Okay, here I'm going to have a GFI. There's going to be a sink here, wash basin. This is a nanny kitchen, butler kitchen. We go into this area. You're gonna see I have my receptacle for my microwave. I have a couple receptacles for the counter, auto code. There's gonna be a mini fridge here. Freezer. This is going to be a dishwasher. And I'm going to this area. This is my kitchen. I have a 20 amp fridge receptacle. I have wall oven receptacle. On this wall I have my receptacles that's going to be underneath the cabinet, the counter. I have a hood fan, LED strip lights. I have my stove, one gas stove. By code I have to provide another stove receptacle. And then this area is going to be my counter. These two areas, you'll see I have my receptacles coming up. Dishwasher, counter receptacles. You also see I have some pot lights, speaker cable, one center light. I have more pot lights here, speaker cable, one center light. Going to this area, I have my pot lights with my center light. I have my security wire for the smoke. I have one motion wire for the security. Also I have some contacts for the windows and the shade blinds. In this area is going to be my switches to control the kitchen. I have one keypad here. And then we go into this area where you're going to see I have my switches. These are all going to be controlling the outside lights and some lights inside the entrance here. This room is the main family room. You see I have a receptacle on the top. This is for a sink and GFI. Then I have my plugs on this wall. This is going to be a fireplace, TV, data. In this area I also have speakers along with pot lights. This is going to be one center light with speakers, some pot lights in this area. Also I have my security door window contacts, shade windows. Another set of speakers. LED strip light wire hanging. And this will be my switches for that room, family room. This is the elevator. These wires are going to be basically for the under the stairs lighting. We go into this room. You see I have a smoke detector, 2 lights. This here is another washroom, fans, 2 pot lights, 2 wall lights, GFI, LED mirror. My switches, my wire is all neatly strapped. In this area we're gonna have a kitchen. So hello, thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream. I'd like to thank you. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream. It's live.